like to party! Hello everybody, so today I thought we'd do a little bit of a different video and I'm going to show you how to draw an eye on Procreate. So first get your new piece of paper and then get some black from the colour wheel and draw, not that big, a little line going over there and hold it, and then I'll go like that. Draw a little line over that way, hold, and then it will go back. And then pick an eye colour on here. Green I got. So go from like a light green. And then come into a dark green. Then a little black hole in the middle. And then add some eyelashes if you want to. If you want it to be a boy, do small eyelashes just like this. For like girls, like this, if you want to. If you want to draw a girl, be like this. Well, not exactly like that. I keep messing up. So what I do is just some lines like that. And then I can fill it in. Just like that. Small little ones on the bottom. And then get like a light pink, like a reddish pink, so it's about like that. Then draw that, and then that. And then bam, you have an eye. Well done, and then of course at the bottom of that corner you need to sign it. Bye bye.